Here we go. I've got my sister-in-law here. Leslie, check her out. In hair at Glee.
No.
Amma.
Hello.
Hello. And this is Appa. I call him Dad. Appa.
Hello.
I'm very thankful for what they did. They help us out like so much, especially when we first starting out. So I've got to admit it, I've asked for help, financially yeah. So thank you, Les. So on a serious note, we're gonna make the wonton noodle today. So this is a traditional street dish from Kuala Lumpur. So we're gonna mix it up. You've got your sesame oil, light soy sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. Our secret here is the pork lard. So we've sort of cooked the garlic and spring onions to go with it. So you can see that. Straight on the heat. Add a touch of sugar. Perfect. The homemade wontons. Perfect. Wonton broth into the wonton sauce. And you just add as much broth as you feel comfortable with. So the secret to the wonton sauce is trying to eliminate the soy element. So you've just got to taste it as you go. I've added generous amounts of pork lard. A little bit more broth. We use a touch of MSG. And some chicken powder. So we're just going to heat up some char siu that the in-laws or my sister-in-law generally brings. Chinese barbecue. Chopstick, give it a drizzle. It's cooked and cooled down, so we're just going to add a bit of heat. Much more quality sauce. We've got char siu, spring onion, onion. Apa, hold tight, Mo.
Hold second.
Respect your ancestors. Peace. Enjoy. Stay beautiful, people.